What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and are interested in learning how to make money online, I share tons of different methods on a regular basis. So please subscribe to the channel and join the team. And I will also highly appreciate if you could smash the like button on this video if you have gotten any value. So in today's video, I'll be sharing a method in making at least $600 per day. That's right, $600 per day. So I'm excited to share this method. Let's jump into my computer. Alright guys, so driving traffic to your product can be hard, especially if you're on a tight budget. So I'm excited to share this website which would allow you to use their traffic without any charge. It's totally free. You can get millions of visits per month here. So let's have a look into SimilarWeb here. They're ranked 466 worldwide. So traffic overview here. So in the month of December, they have gotten 120 million visits, guys. That is mind-blowing amount of people. And in the month of November, which is one of their highest months, they have gotten 182 million visits. And then October, 188, which is their highest month in the last 5 months or so. So this website is legit. Most of their traffic comes from Mexico, 9.96, United States, 5.90, Indonesia, 5.45%. So well diverse traffic that they get. So it's totally free to promote any kind of product. And yeah, so let's have a look into the actual site here. So like I mentioned, the site is called SlideShare, and they do get tons of views per month, right? So today's top slide shares are, this article here, Digital 2020 Global Digital Overview, right? 2.3 million. This is 783,315, and they do have other articles that have thousands of views, right? So this was 11 minutes ago, and it has 1.1 million views here. Yeah, so they're legit, and they allow you to share any kind of article for free. So what I'm going to share is promoting an affiliate product on this website, and putting together a nice article that would have people click and read and link your affiliate product within the article, and make a sale. And post as many articles as you would like in different niches of like affiliate products. So you may be wondering where you can find like free articles to use, right? So a good place that allows you to use as many articles that you would like is PLR article directory. So this can be used for any type of usage. Alright guys, so I'm here on ClickBank here, and let's go into the health and fitness niche. We'll select the product that we can promote and get traffic from this website, right? So this is the product that I was looking into earlier, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. It's a weight loss product, and the average pay is 126.90 cents, right, per sale. So it's a healthy profit. If you're able to sell 5 of this product per day from this website that has huge amount of traffic, you can easily make over $600, right? So it's a good product. I've watched the whole VCL and whatnot. So, and I have found an article that we can use to promote this product on SlideShare. So let's get the hop link here. So you just click on the promote any topic that you would like. It can be easily be found on plr.com. It's a legit site which allows you to get all sort of articles, like I said, in any kind of category here. Okay, so I found this article to be the best one in the weight loss section. So let's go ahead and copy this whole article, and we will be entering our hop link eventually. So see here. Trade anywhere that we see the word weight loss, right? So that's clickable for the reader and to eventually see our product, right? So let's insert that there. Here it is. insert. Okay. So now let's head over to ClickBank and go to the affiliate page. And then from here, these are the affiliate resource stuff here. And then let's click on top converting email swipes. And then from here, let's click on this link over here for the email swipes. We just want to grab one of the headlines, right? That catchy headline to end off the article. Let's grab this headline just to finish off the article, right? And we'll enter the hop link as well. There we go. And then our article is now fully done. So hop link in the word weight loss, right? And at the end here. So let's save this as a PDF file. So to share any file or document on SlideShare, you would need to have it as a PDF. So let's save this as a PDF. The point. And let's head over to SlideShare. Click on upload. Select file. And now, so I've logged into my Skillshare account. If you don't have one, you can create one for free. Okay, awesome. So we have it in. Just use the same title. Category, have it in business. Privacy, let's have it public so that everyone can see. And then tags, we can say weight loss, flat belly, add as many tags as you would like. And now we can have some description. So for the description, we can just say okay. Okay, so for the description, we can just paste this here. Okay. Yeah, so now we're ready to publish. Yeah, so I have it on public, so it's just letting me know that it can be seen by anyone on the web. So we can go ahead and publish this. There you have it, guys, and you can repeat this for as many products as you like, right? So there's no limit. Yeah, this is an amazing way to make over $600 per day and with no upfront cost, right? So I will end this video here and I will catch you guys up on the next one. Take care, guys. Peace.